Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Moto Stylus 5G 2023 model case, and this model is to have with the stylus. So let's open and see all the package and unboxing here. This is the instructions. This is the main case. So it comes with the two different things, like if you want to use it with a screen protector you can use this one, and if you want to use it without the screen protector you can use the other inserts. So this one is with the screen protector, so let me just take it out. You can see like very protective and tight like case. So the mobile will be really protected. So let me just take out all this protective covering first. So this is a screen protector one. So if you want to use a screen protector you can use this insert, or if you want to use the other one like without the screen protector you can use the other insert. So here I'm just using it with the screen protector and just put it inside. So you can have this silicone one, a little flexible case on the top. So this will enclose this mobile phone completely, and you can see, so this also have this kickstand. So you can just use it as a stand and this will just go back inside. All the ports and everything is there. This is the stylus. It's very easy to take it out here and put it back. So this case is not interfering with this. All the ports are open, so you can use it easily, and there is no issue of this case with any of these ports. Buttons and everything is working fine, and yeah, it's very nice and protective case with a screen protector or without that.